What's wrong with the internet? Damn, I had really weird jump on the internet now. I hope you guys can see everything fine. Yeah, like people who have house heating based on gas, they are super fucked. Like really, absolutely super fucked. There's no other term for that. There are also like, at one point, people have been building houses in Czech Republic that didn't have really cool, really that well done insulation outside, and they have been based on gas. Those are the most fucked up. Everything in weather is okay, but our natural gas prices are scary in Latvia. Hey Shuba, yeah. My both houses are on natural gas. Dude, that's insane these days. Stream cut for a sec, but it's fine now. Yeah, I had a jump here. Thanks for popping in yesterday. Oh, no worries. I'm just like, I was at work, I was busy, and I'm like, I finally at least got the notifications on my phone. So when somebody is on, and I have a time, at least like a few minutes to jump in and say hello, I do, because like that's at least something that I want to do. Like at least just jump there and say hello, like to let the people know that I think about it. Yeah, but I heard the stories about like those people with not really that great insulation before this outbreak with Ukraine. They paid like 80,000 Czech crowns a year for the how it's called for heating by gas. Okay, and if we will count it, because it's all like not many people knows how much is Czech crown. Oh man, I found a source for hemp fiber insulation. Hemp fiber insulation is great. Divide by 22. Yeah, so let's count like 3.6k USD or a year for heating. And it skipped in 1 year to 200,000 Czech crowns, which is like 9,000 USD a year for heating. Imagine the jump in 1 year. You're paying like 3,000, basically 3.6.